Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to Islamic Alta Vista Art and Drawing Learning Program. Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope you really like this video. Today we will do stone art with melted crayon technique. Get glassy texture on it and we'll make glassy stones. And we can use it in different domestic purposes or as a decoration piece. Before to start, gather all supplies. Firstly, we need oven tray, aluminium foil sheet, we need fancy stones, and we need oven, and we need gloves, tissue, and crayons color. Let's start video. First step, take a tray, make bottom layer with aluminium foil paper, put some fancy stone on it. Keep tray in oven for 15 minutes on 370 centigrade. Keeps it to wait. After that, bring out tray. First take on gloves and pick hot stone with it and take it out. Now take crayon color. You color in circular motion on the surface of the hot stone. In mid, I make blue circle. Now, with white color, I make bigger circle over it. Colors are going to emerge with one another. Now I choose pink color and making big circle over it. Now top edge, I choose dark blue color, do color in circular motion on its upper portion. In last, with half of white crayon, I'm emerging color with one another for to obtain the certain galaxy texture. These melted crayons have given an amazing texture on it. Give some time and let it dry. Now it's display time. Display it was for tangling core.